Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel, where I share creative and unique DIY ideas for your home and garden. Today, I'm so excited to show you two beautiful projects that I recently created for my hanging terrace garden. First, let me introduce you to my house-shaped hanging planter. I started by making a mold out of cardboard. To give it a charming look, I added two small windows and a circular shape at the top for extra detail. Once the mold was ready, I filled it with plaster of Paris and let it dry completely. After it was nice and solid, I carefully removed the cardboard to reveal the beautiful house shape. Next, I painted the house in vibrant purple and pink colors to give it a lively and cheerful vibe. I really wanted it to stand out on the terrace. And here's the final result. Isn't it amazing? I love how it turned out, and it adds such a creative touch to my terrace garden. For my second project, I tried something different, using mid glasses for another terrace hanging. First, I painted each glass in bright, cheerful colors. One by one, I made sure they popped with fun, vibrant shades. Next, I added some beautiful flower designs to the glasses. To make the artwork stand out even more, I highlighted the flowers with different colors for a stunning effect. Now, let's work on the bells. I used medicine bottle lids, painted them to match, and got them ready for the rope attachment. I glued the rope inside each lid and threaded it through the painted bell, adjusting the height of each rope to make sure they hung just right. After adjusting the heights with knots inside and outside the bell, I attached all three bells together using another piece of rope. the final result. Look at how amazing they turned out. These colorful, handmade hanging bells are now brightening up my terrace garden. I love how they turned out, and I hope this inspires you to try making your own. Hanging them up was so simple but made a huge difference in the overall look. Both these projects were so much fun to make, and they truly transformed my terrace garden. Whether it's the house-shaped hanging or the mid-glass design, each piece adds a unique and personal touch to this space. Please like, share and subscribe for more videos.